social science educator from Countryside International School. Children, I hope you all are doing well. In the last video, we have seen about the different ways of reading map. In that we have seen direction, symbols, key or legend. Today we will see about the scale and grid, and we have to go through about the comparison, or we can say the difference between the globe and map. And this is the third video of our topic. So let's start with the topic.
Let's start with what we have seen in the previous videos. So let's recall what are the things we have seen. First one is the different ways of the reading map. What are the things which we have studied, how we can read the map? That is direction, symbol, key or legend, scale or grid. Yes, these are the different ways through which we can read the map. See, what is the image? क्या याद आता है ये image को देखकर? Yes, north direction, right? So children, through the letter N on map, we can easily identify the other directions. How? That if this is the north, opposite of north is south, and this one is the east, and opposite of that is west, right? So these are the different directions which we can easily know through the letter N on the map. Next one is different symbols and colors are used on map to show different things. Remember, different symbols we have seen, that is a bridge we have seen, river, mountain colors and grass, right? Different colors we have seen. That is the different symbols. This is what? Yes, key or legend. So children, a key or legend is explanatory list of different symbols. जो सारे symbols हम use करते हैं या फिर colors use करते हैं, that is, this key or legend is the explanatory list of those symbols. Now today we'll study about remaining two different ways of reading the map, that is the scale and grid. So let's start. So first one is the scale we will see. Children, we know that Earth is very large, right? It is not possible to show the actual distance of two places on map, right? Agar Earth, we know Earth is very large. If you want to see the India and America ka distance, can you see on the map? No, we cannot see, right? So what we do? Let's take the example. This is of the India's map. Today we'll see that this red color box, if you can see, here it is Kohima and Dimapur. Children, the distance between this Kohima and Dimapur, can you see and tell me that is it possible to draw this distance between the Kohima and Dimapur on map? Okay, let's understand this with an example. See, I have highlighted this Kohima and Dimapur. Children, the distance between the Kohima and Dimapur is 68 kilometers. Can you draw the 68 kilometer long distance on the map? क्या हम draw कर सकते हैं इतना बड़ा route? No, we cannot draw on such a small map 68 kilometer. So, how can you see? So, for that we use the scale. Now, what is scale? The ratio of the distance between two places on map to the actual distance between these two places on ground is called scale. मतलब ground पे इनका distance कितना है? 68 किलोमीटर, right? और map में कितना है? वो measure करते हैं ratio में, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Scale. Children, let's go through with an example. See, if this is your home and this is your friend's home. Now the distance between your home and your friend's home is कितना? 2 kilometer. But can you draw the long route? This इतना बड़ा 2 kilometer क्या map पे दिखा सकते हैं हम? नहीं दिखा सकते, right? So what we do is that 2 किलोमीटर सपोज करो 2 सेंटीमीटर है ऑन मैप. एक्चुअल ग्राउंड में कितना है? ग्राउंड पे 2 किलोमीटर है. मैप पे कितना है? 2 सेंटीमीटर है. So we can see that 1 kilometer is equal to 1 centimeter. Now this is the scale how we use to locate the places on the map. आपको समझ आया कि जो एक्चुअल डिस्टेंस होता है ऑन ग्राउंड टू द रेशियो ऑफ ऑन डिस्टेंस बिटवीन ऑन मैप. सो वी कैन से 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1 किलोमीटर और 1 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1 सेंटीमीटर. So this is what is scale. Now we will go through the grid. Now what is grid, children? Can you see the map? Picture of map दिख रहा है आपको? Image of map. But there are various lines. ये जो पीछे horizontals और vertical lines है वो क्या है? What is this lines, children? So this, if you observe the map, there are there are few vertical and horizontal lines on it. What are these lines? These lines form a group of squares. देखो ये they made what? Form a group of squares. ये group of squares बनाते हैं which is used to locate the places. ये square है. This square is used to locate the places. मतलब ये square में 24 और 72 डिग्री के बीच में यहाँ पे गुजरात आता है. So this square help us to locate the places. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Grid. See, a grid. ये ऐसे फॉर्म में होता है. Now suppose करो each square is allotted the number and the alphabet. हर एक स्क्वायर को एक नंबर दिया है, एक अल्फाबेट दिया है. देखो इसको 1A, 1B, 1C and last one is 1D. In the same way 2A, 2B, 2C and last one is 2D. Same way for 3 and 4. यहाँ पे ऐसे यूज होती है ग्रिड फॉर यूज टू लोकेट द प्लेसेस. सपोज 2B में क्या है? बैंक है. ओके. 3A में क्या है? अपार्टमेंट्स है. ओके. 3D में क्या है? स्कूल है. Now let us understand this by solving a simple worksheet. Children, this will be a fun worksheet. ये क्या है? ट्रेजर मैप है. Can you see the treasure map? Yes, right. Now this is for the grid reference. Children, let's start solving this worksheet. Okay, it's very simple. यहाँ पे सारे आपको ABCDEF letters दिए हैं. In here it is given 1 2 3 4 numbers. This is called group of squares. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Grid. Now let's solve. Now see, what animal? First one is what animal can you see located at A1? A और 1. कौन सा एनिमल दिख रहा है यहाँ पे आपको? Fish, right? So it's a first answer is a fish. Okay. Next, X marks the spot to find the treasure. पहले तो देखो treasure box कहाँ है? कहाँ है? Where is the treasure box? Where is the treasure box? Oh yes, here is a treasure box and here is the X mark. Now what is the question? Can you give the grid reference to help the pirates? को ये treasure ढूंढना है. Now what is the grid reference we can say? पहले तो ये कौन सा लेटर में जा रहा है? C में जा रहा है. मार्क, हमको मार्क देखना है बेटा. We will not see the treasure, we will see the mark. So ये कहाँ जा रहा है? C में जा रहा है and नंबर कौन सा है? 3. So answer is 3C. Let's see. Or C3 we can say, right? Anything, both the things are correct. C3 or 3C. Okay, children? So it's C and 3 number. Now next is, what can you see at a grid reference C4? C4 में क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? This is the C line and this is the fourth one. So ये C4 में क्या है? This is a boat, right? So see, it's a boat. Okay. What is, next question is, what is the grid reference for Skull Island? Skull Island कहाँ पर है? Okay, year. चलो, now you tell me what will be the grid reference. ये कौन सा grid reference हो रहा है बेटा? Okay, I will be counting back. 3, 2, 1. What is the answer? Let's say together. It's the A4. Yes, it's correct. Okay, next question number 5th. Can you find the start path of the pirates must follow to the treasure? पहले तो स्टार्ट पाथ ढूंढते हैं. चिल्ड्रन, दिस रेड डॉटेड लाइन ना इज द पाथ. ओके, अब वो स्टार्ट कहाँ से, ये खत्म तो ट्रेजर पे हो रही है, बट फ्रॉम वेयर इट इज स्टार्टिंग. लेट्स सी वेयर इट इज गोइंग ऑन, वेयर इट इज स्टार्टिंग, वेयर इट इज स्टार्टिंग. ओके, हियर, ये उसका स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. दिस इज द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. सो लेट्स से द ग्रिड रेफरेंस. व्हाट इज द ग्रिड रेफरेंस ऑफ दिस? ओके, आई होप यू हैव गॉट इट. लेट्स से इट टुगेदर. 3, 2, 1. Let's say together, it's a E4. Yes, so this is the answer. I hope through the worksheet you have understood about the grid. So children, these are the different ways through which we can read the map. That is scale, grid, direction, symbols and key or legend. Okay children? Now we will study our next topic, that is the comparison between the globe and map. Children, this is very easy. Let's go through it one by one. First is definition. Children, आपको याद है what we have studied in the first video? What is globe and what is map? That is the first point. So globe is a small model of the earth, right? And map is what? Drawing of the earth. So simple. Model of the earth and drawing of the earth. Okay, this is the definition. Next is shape. What is a shape? It is a spherical in shape, and this is the flat surface. It has a flat like a paper, right? Yes. Now what it shows, ये क्या क्या बताते हैं? Continents, oceans and countries. Do you remember that we have seen one globe which shows the continent, oceans, right? So what they show is continent, oceans and countries. And what the map can show? Map can show information such as forest, agriculture, climate, etc. right, of a particular region. Children, do you remember that theme map? That is theme based map, thematic map, right? That is was forest, agriculture, climate of a particular place, right? So this was all about the what the globe and the map shows. Next point is carry. How we can carry the globe and map, which is very easy. Let's see. Some globes are very heavy, children, and they cannot be carried easily from one place to another. हमको एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे ले जाना है, तो those globes are very heavy. We cannot travel through by taking the globe. चलो अमेरिका जाना है तो ग्लोब लेके चलते हैं और उसमें देख लेंगे कहाँ पे जाना है. No, we cannot do that, right? So let's see about map. Yes, maps can be folded. उसको हम roll कर सकते हैं. We can fold it and can easily carry from one place to another. हम उसको हमारे बैग में रख दे, wherever we can keep. So we can easily carry the map from one place to another as it can be folded. So these are the comparison points between the globe and map. First is definition, shape, shows and carry. सिर्फ ये 4 चीजें याद रखोगे, पूरा आंसर आपको याद रह जाएगा. What are the 4 points? Definition, shape, what it shows and how we can carry. So this is the comparison between globe and map. Children, here we finish our hard words. Here we finish our third unit, that is the globe and maps. Let's go through the hard words of this video. First one is actual. What is the actual distance, right? So actual. Second one is the distance. Third one is scale. Remember scale? Yes, I know it's easy, but kar lena hai, right? Next one is ratio. Next, horizontal. Next is vertical. Horizontals and vertical lines. Remember sleeping and standing lines. Next is grid. I hope now it's clear what is grid. And This is the information. Okay, information. Okay, and next is allotted. Allotted means सबको एक एक स्क्वायर दे दिया है. allot करना, दे देना. सबको एक एक स्क्वायर दे दिया. Okay, allotted. And last one is particular. कोई भी एक particular चीज, कोई भी एक चीज particular बोलते हैं उसको. Okay. So this was all your hard words. So children, I hope you have understood about the hard words. And
So I hope children you have understood this chapter. In this chapter we have seen the introduction of globes and map, different ways of reading the globe and map, and the comparison, or we can say the difference between the globes and map. And here we complete the first unit of the SS, that is the globe and maps. And I hope you have done the hard words of and words to know of earlier videos and complete today's videos of also. And textual exercise that includes the question answers and fill in the blanks will be sent to you through PDF format. And there we complete our first unit of SS. So maintain the proper notes and study well.